Hey, so far we have not seen any double windows, but we're going to get this off the screen anyway. We don't need to see that. And so here we are. We're doing a new live stream. It's about uploading videos and converting playlists into podcasts. So let's do the playlists into podcasts first. So here in podcasts, the only one we've done so far is this one, which is the top one here. Okay, and all we have to do these other ones is click here and hit set as podcast. Now it's going to ask us um, about the title, which it's assuming is going to be the same as that playlist, but we're going to change it. And also adding a description. We got to do a thumbnail. I don't have individual thumbnails yet. Okay, this is going to be public. And we'll just do it by, I don't remember having to change this before. Maybe I got to look at what it did. So take publish newest. We'll just use our generic logo here. And so all of this stuff, this logo was done with ChatGPT. I created it. I couldn't even probably find the chat where I did it at this point. I think it was actually on a different account. But so this logo was created by ChatGPT. So now we're going to go to ChatGPT, and we're doing a podcast. So uh, podcast uh, podcast for learning how to use YouTube Studio using Chat GPT. And
Doesn't it say that already? Like
you know
right
what?
above where
I
you're
I don't
touching?
remember. Yeah.
Like copy and
Yes,
paste?
yes, yes, yes. You're right. Okay. I can always, yeah. I don't remember. It's just like I said, it's a terrible thing to waste. Like I don't remember what I did
Stop
yeah,
wasting it.
2 minutes ago. All right, so I need a title and description.
Which are right there. YouTube Studio, uploads and podcasts, GPT Live Lab,
No, no, no.
description.
That's for the episode that we're doing.
Oh,
That's for the episode. And this one, learn to learn YouTube Studio with ChatGPT Live Lab. So this is going to be copy and paste into here. That's our podcast name. Now we're going to put this in here. I'm not even reading it because at this point, I'm just kind of trusting GPT. The whole purpose of this channel is to learn about how to use GPT to our advantage, like how to do stuff. And so
how to make the workflow easier.
how to make the workflow easier. So I'll read it now. Live it produces all the podcast is about all it's all about learning how to use YouTube Studio with help from ChatGPT. We explore a workflow right there. Yeah, did you see that? Is it why you said it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so workflow from uploading videos. Okay, so yeah, perfect. That's and I like that it can come up with it that fast. If I try to do something like that, I can write something like that. I'm perfectly capable of it. I just, you know, I don't want to spend 15 minutes trying to write this simple paragraph. Just do that in a couple of seconds. It's
Yep.
not like I'm cheating on my homework.
And cheating
So now
on your.
here is our podcast. So now we have these two have been converted to podcasts and they appear here. So each thing, is its own entity. So you've got videos. These are where videos were created or uploaded here using, like using uh anyway, never mind. Shorts, haven't made any shorts yet. Live. So we've done a bunch of live streams, and that's because primarily this is GPT Live Lab. That's the purpose of it. It's going live. Posts and playlists and podcasts. I don't know what promotions are just yet. This is where you go if you want to pay them money to you know to promote your videos or your channel. And this is for getting ideas if you're lacking inspiration, which we seem to lack no inspiration. What we lack is coordination and organization to actually get stuff done. So we have these playlists now. We have one more to go. Now, what's this one? This is miscellaneous items. Oh, geez, is this might be the one with what do we have inside of it? Oh, there's video inside of there. It said so on the screen now. Channel content. It says there's one video there. What is that video though? Playlist doesn't show us here. All right. Is this the one? I guess I got to go in order to see that. I guess we got to go to your channel and look at playlists. So it's kind of weird that I got to go here. I can't see that in YouTube Studio. So what was this? Oh, the Late Show. All right, so what do we say about that? So another podcast or miscellaneous. Um, well, on the channel because we've only got the one. Um, anything yet um, achieved uh, and not yet reached the point of having its own playlist podcast. A title and description. Sound like what we want to do, Mike?
Hmm.
Mhm.
Yep.
GPT Live Lab experiments and extras. Okay, sure, why not? Just go with that. And now we got to go back to YouTube Studio. Content. Another, oh, yeah, that's right. That's the podcast. I really don't know if I need that window open. Maybe I should ask that question. Say, so live stream, video, and oh no, playlist. Miscellaneous. That's what we want. Miscellaneous rants is what I call them. And this episode, not an episode. How about change this? Another playlist. When I do that, it's going to read. There we go. That's a little better. Catch all. Room for everything that doesn't yet fit into its own series. There we go. Sure. Probably should proofread stuff better because one of these days it's going to bite me. But for now, it's fine. We'll let anybody who watches the video tell us what's wrong with it, and please do. We're learning. We need help. Okay, so now all of those now have a podcast or associated with them, which this should help with the visibility. We can go in and we can edit individual videos. But right now we have a couple things that we had done
Why is there
before.
only one video?
But this is I don't know what fits where. Well, let's ask. Let's ask GPT.
It's only my theory is it's only a video until it's added to a podcast, then it's part of a podcast.
Well, okay, we'll see. Well, on the content, I don't know what they even call this. So
Section.
in channel content, videos, I guess. So it's here. Uploaded videos, not shorts, live, or podcast. So they are uploads, standard uploads.
Answer why there's only one. Should you have some in each category?
Hold on a second here. I'm trying to figure out how to stop this thing. There we go. Stop. Reset. Okay. Say that again. What did you just say? Do you remember?
Is there a reason why you should have some in each of the different categories?
No. No, it's not necessary. Okay, so let's say for example, so these short I don't do haven't let's say I want to make some shorts out of stuff that we've already done. So I go to live and here I can I can add to a playlist. I can edit a lot of different things here, you know, pertaining to that particular video, and then more actions. Oh, delete. How about download? There's a way to download, I'm fairly sure of it. Okay, all right. There's a way to download it. I know there is because I
Maybe you have to open that particular video first.
maybe so. Yeah. Edit. All right, you know what? I'm not going to get lost in this rabbit hole. Let's because
Too
yeah,
late.
yeah. So the question is why, do you want to have them? Well, no, it's not like that. Um, this is just a way for us to look at the channel content so that we're not looking at one continuous stream of everything we've ever done. We can separate it into videos that are uploaded, shorts, which you can create, go live, and I don't know if I think shorts are automatically anything that's less than a certain time. I don't know. Haven't tried to do that yet. But these are the different things you can do. So new playlist, gonna show up here. New podcast shows up here. Go live shows up here. Upload videos shows up there. It's just a way for us to sort that stuff out without having to go have one feed and then create filters. You know, it spreads it out based on what it initially was. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Oh, in shorts. Oh, here you go. Upload video. So I can upload shorts. I don't know if that's the only way to get them up there, but that's
Let's make sure they're
one.
clean first.
Yeah. And so how do we analyze? Oh, for heaven's sakes. Video comments. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Show on YouTube. Download. There it is. Right there. So download. So I can download this, edit it, and then chop it up into little pieces and make shorts out of it, or make more videos out of it. But this was and let's see, live. This is what I was trying to figure out. Delete forever. Get a shareable link. This is where it was. There has
This
to
is where
be a
what
way
was.
where that's where my thought process was. What was this question? In channel content videos, what goes here? Okay. So, how how can I download live recorded content? Select the live tab, find the live stream you want to download, and next to the video, click download. Find the live stream you want. Okay. I swore we did this, just did that, but let's see. So here's live. And this, let me make sure that
You can't download the Live Now one.
Oh, maybe that's what the problem is. Okay, so okay, that one's probably still processing because we did that for. Here we go. So the reason this one we're doing now, this is the one that we did before, but it's still processing in the background. And this one and all of the other
From
older ones.
July 26th, it's still processing.
All right. Yeah, I see that now, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That's all I can say is I don't know. I
It doesn't say anything about being flagged.
yeah, and I can be honest with you, I'm oh, this is really driving me crazy that I don't have my big screen. Yeah, this I'm looking at my laptop and I'm 3 feet away from it. I can't really get any closer. And as it is, so if I as it is, if I lean in a little bit, so now I may be about 18 inches, yeah, 24 inches away. I don't know, but I just can't read this. Even with the
Okay,
glasses.
skip
My
it.
cataracts are so bad.
Skip
My
it.
cataracts so bad.
Skip it.
Yeah.
On to the next
But yeah,
important thing.
so the bottom line is you can download stuff, edit it, and then re-upload it as a as a short or a just a regular video or a short. And anyway, so but we have stuff to upload. That's what we're talking about in this episode is uploading stuff. So uh create, can I upload? Yeah, upload videos. And let's look at that's where I was headed before when I got derailed. Um, okay, so here we were. Can you read any of this stuff on the screen? Hang on, I gotta try and get a little closer.
Um,
Um,
yeah, I can read it if I'm close enough.
Okay, 2025, 2020. Okay, so 725, 725, 724. I don't know what we did on any. Okay, so that's just text. So that's meaningless. Text, meaningless.
When you hover, it'll show you the size. Size will tell you if it's more than just text.
It should give me size right here, but it doesn't.
You read it, whatever.
You know,
But when you hover, it shows you the size. The third one had more. That one's got video.
using GPT for Vine reviews. And then we had three different things. So this is Gary Job Hunt. This looks like it would be all miscellany uploading to the channel. I don't know. Huh, interesting. So we apparently already did a video on this. Let's take a look here and see what we got. Does not, oh yeah, it does tell me length. I can't read it. Can you?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay. All right, so this one might be worth doing. No idea what it is, but let's just put it up there. Okay, nope, not you. Uh, this one. We're gonna upload video. I really got to make a separate profile so that not everything is on one, well, Microsoft account, I mean, so that I can have a different downloads, desktop. Well, oh, these are the pins. This,
Are we still live?
yeah, we, yeah, we're still live. It's there. It is there. And well, that's another question I wanted to ask, but not right now. Um,
Can you pause a live stream?
no, no, you cannot. Doom, AV in chats. There we are. So we are looking at this one, I think. Nope. Wrong. Oh, come on now.
You didn't think it was going to be easy to find it again, did you?
Well, yeah. So, okay, there we go. Date modified. So 1, 2, 3. That's the one, I think. There we are, uploading to channel. And we want this, we'll just take this video. And so now here, this is where we can make some modifications or make some modifications to. This is the default. Um,
Is
select
there
the
a way to
playlist.
change the modifications so that they are permanent?
Well, hang on, one rabbit hole at a time. See, so this one is Learning YouTube Studio. Okay, so that's where we want that to be. And we want a thumbnail. We'll upload. I got to be a little bit more organized, I guess.
It said
And
it
but
needed to be square, but then it makes it into a rectangle.
well, that was the podcast one said they need to be square.
I
So
know.
actually, I could probably change it. Let's change that and put this one up instead. See what it does there.
It's the
File is
same.
bigger. No, it says file is bigger than 2 MB. So change. Yeah, I gotta dismiss to get this thing out of the way. Hide the meeting controls. Um, oh, I can't see the details unless I. Oh, come on.
Hovering doesn't show you the size?
No, apparently not.
No, just the dimensions. It
Yeah,
shows
just
the
the dimensions.
size
Where?
at the bottom.
Oh,
1.84 megabytes.
there we go. So now that is a different video. So I should probably save those somewhere as like the default so that I'm not constantly looking at which ones need to go where. Name one of
Yeah.
them, you know, name one of them podcast thumbnail and the other one uh, video thumbnail.
Yep.
So it's not for kids. So we're not worried about that. Now we're going to name it. But yeah, there is a way you can go and change the defaults. Like this, change this so that it has a different default. I just put GPT Live Lab because, no, that's the name of the channel, but um, anyway, go to GPT and key. It seems to me we're in YouTube. So this one, I'm going to copy this. We're going to reuse that. But we're not going to have um, this one we're not going to be organizing into playlists. This is just the older video.
That we don't know what it is without watching it.
Oh wait, I thought converting. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I did. Let's see. I grabbed the wrong one. And this one, we're not converting playlists, podcasts.
Brilliant.
And
I love the simplicity of it.
I know, right? I'm sure. I think there are other ways to copy and paste the data in. Ah, yeah, nice. I like that it does this. Subtitles, no. Subtitles, no. We're not adding an end screen at this point. Not adding cards.
Hmm.
No issues found with copyright. Cool. Hello. I can't
We
really be.
created it.
And we created it. And here's where you can schedule it too. Yeah, I don't. You can set it as a premiere. Um, so we'll ask the question. I'm pretty sure I know what the answer is, but we'll ask the question. When uploading a video, what is a premiere? Premiere on YouTube is a way to schedule a video to debut at a specific time with a live channel viewing experience. Huh. Viewers can watch together in real time. A live chat is available during the premiere. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's not really a live chat because it's scheduled. Am I wrong?
A live
No, you're
chat.
uploading you're uploading a video.
A live chat.
But you're uploading. Yeah, right. A live chat is available here. Like if I go to this screen, here's our that thing where it's doing here. This. I don't know. I sometime we'll look into why it's creating those secondary windows. But yeah, here live chat. So people can, as far as I know, if there were actually people, I don't want you to visit the channel and do that, but if I believe that if people were there, they could be commenting on this right now. There were viewers looking at it.
I believe that's true of all live videos.
Right. Exactly.
As
But
long as
I
it,
think you can turn that on and off.
right.
So you can have it, you can have a live video that people can't make comments. You can also control how fast people comment too. Like, they can only they have to have a few seconds
All right.
between
This
or
is why some
whatever.
people have a producer working with them, one person doing the video, one person doing the comments.
Yeah, well, these can get pretty labor intensive. I mean, I can
Yep.
see, I I honestly wonder, I mean, there are videos out there, and I'm sure somebody has done a video on this that, they how many people do they have in the production of their video? I mean, I've seen allusions to that, but I don't think that I've ever seen one where it says, like, oh, this person does all of my post production on my videos, you know, or anything like that. They they might refer to a co-host, but I don't think I've seen one where a content creator has walked through start to finish. Like, okay, like I do this. This is what a raw video looks like. This is, and then here's, and then making a playlist like that. Like, I don't think I've seen that. It's probably because people are too chicken to do what you and I are doing, which is, you know, putting ourselves out here, warts and all. I'm sitting here in a t-shirt. I don't even have an avatar up to pretend like I'm, you know, does anything professional. But what? Oh, you know what? That popped up on the screen. You just did something in chat, and it popped up on the screen, and I know that we experimented with
Tested
that.
it and tested it and tested it.
Tested it and tested it and tested it. Yeah, it's a Zoom. Zoom, what the heck? What are you doing? And now,
Wow.
now that I've pointed out the fact that I don't have a avatar up, I think I'm going to go fix that right now.
I wonder if we've been we've been live streaming 100% of the time, 50% of the time, what percent?
I don't know. I haven't been writing it down, so
With
I
the
don't know.
test to see if the chat was popping up on screen, was
No, we
that
were not.
before
We
we
were we were not live streaming then when we were doing the
that's
test.
what I was asking.
Yeah, no. But we did, yeah, because I wanted to fix that before we live stream, because it's like I don't want
That's what I
the
thought.
yeah, I don't want people to see what you and I are conversing about behind the scenes, and yeah, and so yeah,
And it would
and
be the same thing with Telegram or it wouldn't?
it would be the same, yeah, because I am displaying everything that's on my screen, everything. So, if any window that I open, any of these windows that I open, any of these tabs that I open, even even
So the
even
the real
this,
question is whether you can be more selective and exclude certain ones.
no. Well, yes and no. We'll get into that, but that's another thing. I don't want to
I didn't
cancel a
mean to right
share.
now. I meant,
Yeah, I don't
in
want to cancel a
general.
share, but yes, when you can select specifically which windows you want to share. So that's what I was saying. Like, if I had a second monitor connected right now, which I wish I did, but I can't do it right at the moment. Um, then I could
Talk
take
about
the
using
chip
your
and
phone as the second monitor.
well, I could, but then I have to split my attention between my phone on my desk, which the screen is dark most of the time. It
Yeah.
doesn't light up when somebody sends me a text. I have to, I have
Okay.
to set it, I have to open it and look. Um, so what I really need is a second screen. And then on the alternate screen, which I am not sharing, it's not included in the share, that could have whatever windows, chat windows. It could have both Telegram and the Zoom chat on that. It
Maybe.
could also it could also have OBS Studio if we were using OBS Studio, could have that. And yeah, so anyway, yeah,
So
but
what you really need is three more monitors.
well, at least one more. And I have one sitting right here. I can't really show it to you right now, but I have one sitting right here. It's a television set that I got from someone for helping me with their computer and other things. But it's actually bigger than the screen that I had. Um, but now the screen that I had, the 43 inch, this I think is a 50 inch. And so the 43 inch, the power supply with that on it, at least that's what I'm assuming based on what GPT told me, and so anyway, I have another monitor. I just have to install the bracket on the back of it and then hang it up and plug it in, get it set up. And then I can fix the other one and bring that other one downstairs when I get the office fixed up down there. Which, boy, that's so many rabbit holes, so little time. All right, so hopefully go. I don't know why this is. Hold on, we are live. I mean, there we are. I don't. Anyway, never mind. So scheduling. So this is where we were save or publish. I can make it private if I don't want it. If I want time to go in and do more stuff to it later, I can make it private and then edit. You do some more edits to it, and maybe put an end screen or an intro, add an intro to it or whatever. You can do stuff to it and then make it public. And unlisted just means that it's not shown at all. It's not private. It's it's not public. It's there, but only someone with a link to it can get to it. And let's see. So I'll just publish it. I don't feel the need to schedule it out. But that is interesting to note that you can set it as a premiere. And I'd like to look into that further another time. So here's the video that we just uploaded. Here's a link. I could
And the
copy
link.
that if I need the link. And so now there's our video. Now, this one here, we can edit this. I didn't have a thumbnail on this one. I can set a thumbnail. And, oh, jeez. Come on now. Where were we? Is this the 1.84? Let's change the name of this. Okay, so uh this is the one for video thumb YouTube's YouTube YT video thumb. There's one YouTube video thumb. We'll find the other one later. Okay, now save that. Now back to channel content. So now we got two uploaded videos. So I don't know how long we've been on.
And they both have thumbnails. Isn't that cute?
Yes, they both have thumbnails. And yeah. Um,
What
I'm
happened
getting,
to the rest of their fingernails?
okay. I don't know. I don't know. I did not trim them. So now we've showed how to upload the video. That's one of the things we intended to do there. So I don't know how many rabbit holes we went down, but let us end this with and we'll maybe get. I don't think we're going to get another one in today because it's already running a little late. So let us just go to. Oh, come on, we're.
It's hiding.
Notice that return to meeting. Okay, all right, here it is. And live stream. This is why we need to figure out how to use OBS Studio because this in end uh, if I think I got to figure out a way to justify buying a Stream Deck because I mean they're a little expensive. Maybe hopefully by the time we get you we
Maybe
learn
you'll
to
get
use
one for
YouTube.
Christmas.
Maybe I'll get one for Christmas. That's possible.
Make sure
I used
to
to, I used
send
to
a letter to Santa.
I got I just got to put one on my Amazon Christmas wish list and send that out to people.
Normal people are going to see that item and think, what in the world is that? He doesn't really need that.
Yeah. Well, see, then I can put that in the wish list. I can put in the description, like I need this, for uh, uh my weekly podcast. You could even probably put a link to my podcast in there. But I need this for my weekly podcast to make it more efficient, to make things run more smoothly. Will save me a lot of time. Thanks in advance, or whatever. Yeah, you can put stuff in the comments. All right, so stop the stream.